crazy coming from you, the High Tower Family Newsroom. It is absolutely insane out here. I don't know what to do. I've just lost mad money in umbrellas. Decided to rain on us on 4th of July now. Come on now. It's 4th of July. It's been 100 degrees the last 3 days and you want it to rain now? What are you doing?
I'm going to go on the trip.
Woohoo! Go get it, boy! It's pouring. Oh! Oh no! Whoa! 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 Oh! 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 There goes trees! Oh my God! Oh my God! There goes our umbrella! Everything's broke! Yo! Oh my God! Umbrella! Umbrella! It's gone! Come on! 8 miles an hour my butt. Oh, that's broke. That's why I always put them down. That's why I always put the umbrellas down. Oh my goodness. This is a disaster. Oh my God. Oh, it's broke. Everything's broke. Now it's hailing. Now it's hailing. Now we're gonna bust car windows. Look how hard it's hitting the windows. This is absolutely insane. Where's all the electronics? Oh my God.
There's the fucking speaker.
It fell over. Oh, it's soaking wet.
Give me it. Holy fuck.
It's soaking wet.
I told you come
Oh my goodness. It's a tornado nearby. It has to be. This is crazy coming from you, the High Tower Family Newsroom. It is absolutely insane out here. I don't know what to do. I've just lost mad money in umbrellas. That's broke. That's broke. That's broke. Oh, we lost power.
Yeah, my whole internet came on there. Oh my God.
I didn't even notice the basketball hoop's down. There won't be no movie tonight. That's completely destroyed. Yep, no movie tonight. Wow. Wow, look at this disaster. Umbrella's just freaking broke. Oh my God, look at the tree damage. Yeah. Unbelievable. Yo, a tree fell in their house. Well, there goes that tree. Oh my God, dude. Nicole, the whole tree fell down in the back, dude. Oh my God. Oh my God, I almost. Ow, I got hit with a. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
The whole tree is gone.
Wow.
Whoa!
GG to a tree, bro.
There goes the tree swing.
Oh my.
Don't be stepping in. Yeah, this is absolutely going to be a mess to clean up. What a disaster. Wow. Looks like I just lost. Looks like I just lost one pole. Nope, that snapped too. That umbrella, there we go. The umbrella up top just snapped off. Yep. We have 2 trees that fell down in the back. What a disaster.
Something really bad happened. The umbrella did something really bad.
I think calm down. Good. Should I pick this up?
That's broke. No, just leave it. Just leave it. It's broke.
That's why he broke.
Them trees are still snapping.
I know.
Yo, we're the only house on the whole block that has a generator. So we have power at the moment. Absolutely insane.
Yo, it's just windy down here.
Shut the door, buddy. Shut the door. Yeah, we're the only people that have a generator, so we have power. We're the only ones on the block that have power, you know that, right?
You want to make sure that old lady's okay?
Oh, look.
No one can get down there. Oh my god.
Bro, you ain't getting down this street.
Heck no.
Nicole,
I'm not going down that.
whole road's blocked.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, we can't go any.
I know. I can't go anywhere with my e-bike.
Wait, that's good. That's good, Mom. That's good. Right?
Good thing we have power.
Yeah.
Didn't I tell you?
See if that old lady's okay?
Yeah, go over and see if she's all right. How is this tree still standing?
I don't know, but it needs to come down. I'm tired of jumping.
Yeah, that's.
This tree right here is dead and we're trying to get it cut down.
Oh yeah.
And
Okay. Yep. Come on over. Yep.
does she have your phone number?
Okay.
Does she?
Okay, yeah,
Does-
because we have the generator, so we have
Yeah, I
electric.
was saying, I said, well, it must be mine. My neighbors have it, and then I remembered you had the
Yeah.
generator.
Yeah.
Yep, anything you need, you don't hesitate to
Oh,
come
thank
over,
you so
okay?
much.
Yeah, don't hesitate. You got her number, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
okay.
Yep.
Yeah, call because
Oh, I
it might be
appreciate that.
it might be down for a while. Even if you have to sleep on the couch or something, just come over.
Yeah, it's gonna get hot.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's
definitely.
yeah.
Yep.
They said 8-mile-an-hour wind. We're out back, and I'm like, and it just hit. I'm like,
It was a tornado.
Yes.
yeah.
Yes. It's bad.
Terrible.
Well, at least we won't have no fires because the ground's wet for fireworks.
Yes, let me know if you need anything, okay?
They were swimming the whole time.
Well, they're blocked. They can't get over.
a disaster.
Yeah, they got. Well, that's on. Well, you know that's on that.
Yeah.
Mom, the truck is
trees
still
down.
there over
Should we go
there.
down?
Ben said he's gonna go cut that down.
No, the truck. Probably he probably tried to cut it down now.
I think the guy that lives down there.
Oh, so that they can
The whole neighborhood's out, bro. Yeah, when they come tomorrow, they're gonna be like, what the? It fell in the house. Look. Yeah.
Should I text him?
Yeah, it'd be like a tree fell in your house, dude. He'd probably say, oh, don't worry about it, insurance cover it.
Where's the kitchen keeper?
It's in the garage. Simon, get over here.
I thought it was out there.
It was out here.
Wave the flag like this. 250th anniversary, buddy. Wow. Wasn't that crazy? They gave 5. I am trying to save our umbrella. She's like, just let it go. You know you're buying a new one, right?
Yeah.
Wait, that popped off. See, it's fine. That popped off.
That was crazy, man. I guess we ain't watching a movie tonight in the pool.
One day, I thought my was.
Go get back, shit.
Whoa. Wait, a lot of death. Watch this.
Get back here.
I'm moving.
Hold it way out. There you go. Up. Woo! Hold it up. Okay, help him hold it.
Yeah, reach.
Good job, buddy. Give me 5.
Wow.
Give me 5, dude. Give me 5. Up, Hayden. Up. You want to do one? You want to do one? Come on. I'll hold your hand. You want me to hold your hand with you?
Oh, blip.
Here, light this video behind us. I gotta hold it for him. I didn't realize they were that tough.
Here.
Record up. That shit burnt my hand. Hold that thing way out, dude. That thing is coming back. Got the good ones. Got the good ones. Woohoo! Freaking, we were supposed to have a movie in the pool tonight, but the storm killed us. We need some bangers. Some bangers in the air. Let's go, Kaden. Light this banger.
I should have put the tank.
Back up, guys. Back up, back up, back up.
Why would you do that? Are you dumb?
Oh, dude.
He just threw a thing and it hit a pool.
Why would you do that? Did you like that?
I'm watching the dust fall. I'm watching the dust.
All right, let's get one more in. Let's go. Put it in there. The smoke is still, it's still hot, dude.
Yeah.
Another one bites the dust.
Another one bites the dust.
Get back, Abby.
Woo!
Watch the dust.
Woo!
Oh, the dust going on that part.
I guess no one can get text messages right now
Why can't they?
about our fireworks.
No. Up. Don't do it near the fucking
No dust. Yay.
Yay! You want to do another one? Shut. Hold on. Come over here.
Here.
You just cursed.
Good job, buddy.
Dip it
Yay!
in the water. Dip it in the water. Dip it in the water right there.
Give it to me.
Just throw
No,
it in.
let him do
Just
it.
play it in.
Are these from like a long time ago or something?
Yeah.
Why would you do
Long
that?
time.
Go get a camera and go throw it away.
No, just no. We're not throwing these away.
Oh.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
I want to do one, Kai. Let mommy do one. Oh, all that debris. I know. It's all good, mommy. Like,
Good job, guys.
Woo.
your turn? Okay.
Where's that wind at? Just sit them in the water table.
Need any more wind.
Throw them in the water table. No. Out, out, out. Help him.
Oh. It's too much like debris.